Hello. So this is Instantly. I'll give you an overview of how the Instantly works. Instantly is an email automation tool where your emails are going out to prospects. All these leads that come into Instantly are directed from Clay, and the automation starts in Instantly. So Instantly has the features of sequencing, like step one email, step two email, step three email, and you can space those emails by a certain number of days. For example, email one goes out today, second email goes out after 5 days, and another one as many as you want. You can set them up. So the first function is their email warm-ups, which appear in the email accounts. These are the warm-up email accounts happening. All these green means they're actively working. This is one feature. The other main feature is their campaign feature. The campaign feature means the original or your actual sequencing running on your leads or your prospects. So you can see 1% progress has started, emails, 10 emails have been sent. They will gradually keep increasing. If you go on Outbound, you will see the number of leads added. You will see the sequence steps that are added. All these emails are coming from Clay through a variable and gets populated here. Then you can see some more settings they have about scheduling. We only put them on weekdays. Then they have certain more options like which accounts to use as a sender accounts. Some more options are available. There's an option called open tracking. We have to always keep it unchecked because we don't want to track opens, because tracking emails can trigger spam. So this is an important step. You always have to keep it unchecked. And now I've put the daily limit as 10. So when you start the campaign, you gradually increase them to the large number. For now, I set it up to 10. For after a couple of days, you can just increase it to 50 or 100 easily, and you can gradually keep it increasing. The calculation of daily limit is that your every email can send out 20 to 25 emails per day. So if you have five inboxes attached, so 5 into 25 is 125. So you can set this up to 125 at the max level. So this is where the daily limit can be adapted. And if we talk about more functions, anytime any message, any response come in, it will land into Unibox section. You will be able to see it here. This is kind of an overall functionality of email sequencing tool instantly. Let me know if you have any questions.